Hey there, cheese lovers! Ever wondered why Swiss cheese has those iconic holes? Today, I'm diving into the delicious mystery behind the holes in Swiss cheese. Grab a snack, because this is going to be Gouda. First off, let's talk about the basics. Swiss cheese, also known as Emmental, originates from Switzerland. But the real star of our show, those intriguing holes, or eyes as they're called in the cheese world. So what actually causes these holes? The answer lies in the cheese-making process. It all starts with bacteria. Yes, you heard that right. Swiss cheese is made with 3 types of bacteria: Lactobacillus, Streptococcus, and Propionibacterium. Don't worry, these bacteria are totally safe and essential for making this cheese so unique. As the cheese ages, these bacteria munch on lactic acid and release carbon dioxide gas. This gas forms bubbles which get trapped in the cheese. Over time, these bubbles create the holes we see. It's like the cheese is secretly brewing its own little storm inside. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all Swiss cheese has the same size or number of holes. The conditions under which the cheese is aged can affect this. Temperature, humidity, and even the altitude of the aging room can influence the size of the holes. For instance, higher temperatures might lead to larger holes, while cooler temperatures might result in smaller ones. Now, you might be wondering, are holes in Swiss cheese just for show? Actually, they play a crucial role in the cheese's flavor and texture. The holes allow the cheese to breathe and mature properly, giving it that distinctive, nutty, and sweet taste we all love. And here's a fun tidbit. Modern cheesemakers can actually control the size and number of holes. By tweaking the levels of Propionibacterium and adjusting aging conditions, they can create cheeses with fewer or more holes, depending on what they're aiming for. So next time you slice into a piece of Swiss cheese, you'll know it's not just a random design. It's a carefully crafted masterpiece, thanks to some hardworking bacteria and a bit of science magic. I hope you enjoyed uncovering the mystery of Swiss cheese holes with me today. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cheesy content. And remember, the next time you see those holes in your Swiss cheese, you'll know the delicious story behind them. Stay cheesy, friends!